Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find username settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click edit profile, public profile, and here as you see you'll find username settings. Here you can change it and click done. It will be saved. That's it. That's how to find the username settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.